Cyberpunk really needs to get us those updates. It's not helping. I know what helps. Oh! It worked itself out.
Why didn't you help me earlier?
I didn't know what to do. I was so confused.
You think it was confusing for you?
Help. Hello once again, audience.
Hiya.
And today we got ourselves a box from the lovely ShadowWiz.
What's in the box?
What's in the box? Well, one thing that's not in the box is a note.
What?
He wanted to put notes in there for everyone.
How dare he?
When he brought the boxes away, he said he came home and he was like, oh, I forgot to put the notes in.
It's just like Chris with the birthday card.
I think so.
I think this is gonna be a thing where everybody is gonna forget to add the notes.
Yeah, but I asked him for like, make a picture so we can still read it. Yeah. Hey, Nick and Rose, here's another little surprise package. No candies.
What?
Just a little blast from the past.
I'm sad.
What? Oh, you still have plenty of snacks for Mike's box.
Ooh, that's true.
Yeah.
But there's no snacks in these.
Oh, there's still plenty of snacks in the cupboard.
I know.
There's like way plenty of snacks.
I know. But I want more snacks.
You're a snack collector.
You can never have enough snacks in the house.
Oh, there's no snacks, but the cap is for Rose. It says the cap is for Rose.
Ooh.
So there's a cap in here.
Wait, but is it like a cap you can wear, or is it a captain?
Captain
Of a
America.
different
It's a
kind.
It's Captain America's ass in a box.
Oh my god, that's exactly what I wanted. How did you know, Rory?
Have fun. Greets the ShadowWiz.
Oh, I will have fun. It's Captain America's ass. Be careful with the box cutter. Don't hit the ass. Don't hit the ass. It's my
Oh my
ass.
god, you didn't put the scissors back in the... There's no...
What?
now I have to use it. Now I have to use it.
No, wait.
I have to use
Wait,
it.
it's over here.
No, too late.
Oh,
Too
god
late.
damn it.
Alright, I did the other side with you.
Yay.
You want to do this?
Yeah, because you're gonna hurt the precious ass that Rory gave me.
Americas.
I want America's.
And we start with right on the top.
It's the cap.
It's the cap.
It's no ass. Yay! Oh my god, I'm gonna put wiring in there so they go like whoop.
Oh wait, this was Espion, right? Espion and Umbreon.
We have to double check.
I always keep. No, it was Umbreon. I thought for sure, like, wait, I always mix them up, so it's not Umbreon, it's Espion, but it's not Espion, it's actually Umbreon. I always do this. I always mix them up.
You could always cross-check it later, or like.
Yeah. Or I can be just like my mom. Is this a Pikachu?
It is. How did you know, Mom?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I might do a cosplay. I might have to do a cosplay.
This is a blast from the past. Oh my god.
I'm gonna do cosplay. I might do cosplay.
We've got
It's
ourselves.
Biljor!
It's Biljor.
Oh my god.
It's Ninjor. Oh my god, that
This
is
is
fantastic.
amazing. How did you do that?
He's like the automorphin figures from like the Power.
Nick, you know what you can do? We should make a print file of Billy's head. And then when you flip the cap,
It's like
it's Biljor. That is awesome, though.
Yes. Oh my
Yay!
god.
We're gonna have so much fun with this.
Oh yeah, and he's got, of course, got the shoulders up.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
You always need extra padding for your shoulder pads.
That's gonna look great with the Megazords.
It does. It does gonna look great.
And there's even more. Oh my god.
But wait, that's more.
Oh my god.
What? What is that? I vaguely remember it, but like, what is this?
It's it's the Star Wars Episode 1 like game you could play. Oh my! I used to have this as a kid. This one.
Of course, you had this as a kid.
And like the droid tank thing as well.
Of course, you had this as a kid.
Yes.
And now you own one.
Whoosh.
Yet again.
I actually have no idea what happened to my old stuff from there. It might have been gone on like a toy chest to my nieces or something, or
maybe
my little brother. I don't know. But this is so
Your
cool.
brother probably sold it.
Probably.
Not gonna lie, he's an opportunist.
We're gonna have to put batteries in here.
Do we have batteries?
We have batteries.
What size are they supposed to go in? Is it AA, AAA?
Battery size? Oh, it's the how do you call them?
Oh, they're not even mold. They didn't even melt, so that's good. Quick! Put in big batteries.
Oh, and I need one more.
You need 3?
Yeah.
Outrageous.
It's like a hidden compartment underneath the other battery. He's a sneaky battery bastard.
I'm just like, the only time you have to have like
It's
3 is with
sneaky.
the AAA.
AAA, yeah.
Yeah.
And 3 AAAs. Triple AAA.
No, these are AA's.
Oh. Oh my god!
It still works! Nice! That's so nice. I'm still so happy with my cat. I can feel the ears flop.
Oh, you love floppy ears, don't you?
I feel
now
like 10%
we
more
screw.
cute.
We screw.
You screw.
I think I have my arms still. In case you were wondering why I was saying I was screwing.
You screw.
I screw.
Oh my god, I can wear this Umbreon thing when I'm wearing like the black cat hoodie. I'm gonna look amazing.
Oh my god.
That is a blast from the past.
Level 1 in 3.
Do you even know how to...
I forgot how this worked.
You get to know what it's like being a kid yet again.
Damage oxygen. Ow. I'm dying.
How are you dying? I thought you knew how this worked.
I'm dying. I think it froze.
No!
Or
I told you we need this update. We need the update.
Is this too old to update? Now you're just watching us do nothing. I'm just
sorry.
around. Audience, goodbye. You're no longer interesting. Go off. Oh, no. How did you move again?
There is also a button where your index finger is on.
Oh yeah, it's a shooty button, I think.
I don't know how this works, man. We can check it out later.
Yeah.
This is gonna
We'll
take
check it
up like
out.
all the video time.
Yeah. Alright, there was a video. I almost forgot.
Oh yeah, we want to do stuff.
Oh my god. Ooh.
Ooh.
It's a TIE fighter pilot and a rebel pilot.
That rebel scum.
Those are really, I don't think I've actually seen these before.
What? Something you didn't know? Something you have never seen before?
No.
That is the first one for me though.
Oh, these are from 1997 though, from like when the remastered versions of the movies were in theater.
When we were still young.
Babies! They're babies! Babies! They're babies! Ugh! And it's the Star Destroyer. It's like from... No, it's from plastic. It looks tinny. I don't know why, but it looks like it's made from tin.
Yeah, it looks a little bit like a die cast.
Yeah. That is very, very, very cool.
Now we can bamboozle people. Everybody's gonna be like, oh, is that die cast? And you're like, nope, it's plastic.
It's from A New Hope, I think. It's got like the hatch in which they take like the tent of... And then Darth Vader goes like, Mama Joker bitch, where are the plans they sent you?
What?
No?
That went from one to fucking too fast.
The Death Star plans are not in the main computer.
I'm about to choke a bitch. What happened to the plans they sent you?
Oh.
Oh my god, it's a Mewtwo!
He's tiny Mewtwo.
Look at this lovely Mewtwo. That is so cool. This even looks like glow in the dark plastic, is it? Well, it just...
I think it needs more time in the light.
Yeah.
Instead of
It
you
just got out of-
flashing it like, oh my god, does it work? No.
It got like 2 seconds of light. It should work now, right? Quick.
Maybe. We'll see later tonight.
Yes. Oh god, that's so cool. And Yoda. Oh my god. Like a little vintage Yoda. That will go great with my...
With all your other vintage shit.
Yeah. I got my Vader and R2-D2 and C-3PO in the back there. And Boba Fett.
Yeah, all the new figurines that you got are gonna fit really nicely.
And last, but definitely...
I think we almost got... Ah, it's Yoda's cane!
It's Yoda's cane! Oh my god, he even has a tiny cane.
He can smack you with that cane now.
Oh no. Please don't smack me, Master Yoda. I will be good. I won't be a little bitch like Luke. I swear.
Yoda-senpai.
Or Anakin.
Yoda-sensei.
Yoda-sensei.
Oh my
god.
gosh. This is by far the best thing in the box. According to Nick.
Almost.
Well,
Almost.
Biljor is a close second.
Yes. But you're gonna be very lovely about this one.
Yay!
Yeah! And it's not just any Jar Jar.
Oh my gosh! It has some licky tongue action as well.
Yeah. You want some licky tongue action?
No, get shit away from me.
Oh my god, this is absolutely fantastic.
Only you would find this fantastic.
Of course. Hey Billy, I got your like Black Series beat now. Does your Black Series have tongue action? I don't think so.
Oh, he's got you there, Billy. Stop making it so sexual.
Alright, this is turning weird.
Just now, it got weird.
Only
Just now.
just now.
Just a little bit.
Just now.
Just a tad.
Yeah, just a tad. Only a tad.
Are you gonna make Jar Jar Binks sounds all night again?
I
Please don't.
promise I'll try not to.
Thank you. But you really gotta try your hardest, though.
Yeah, I will try my hardest. I swear on Ninja! Yes!
Oh, then it should be fine.
How about some Ninja voice?
No!
You like that?
No! Stop it! Why do you always have to do this? This is why we can't have nice things.
But we have nice things.
But I want Biljor. Make it a Biljor. And
I
I'll
will
be
make
happy.
it a Biljor. I will make it a Biljor.
You're gonna make everybody so much happier.
I can make-
if it turns into a Biljor.
Yes. But I've never sculpted like human heads before in 3D. It's gonna be a hassle.
No, just like you just print out his face and then just stick it on there. That's how you do. Why would you make an entire head? Just stick it on there. I did that with the paint thing for the new build for the new Ninja figurine.
That is true.
Yeah, that worked out great. So just print that face out in the correct one and then just stick it on there.
Stick it on there.
Just tape it on there.
Oh my.
Oh my god, yes. Did you just drop his pants?
He's got like the instant action even. Like, boom! And then, boom!
It's like you're pantsing him.
Pew!
It looks like you just depantsed him.
And that's why at first Ninja did not want to work with teenagers.
Probably. Most likely, I think.
That seems legit, right?
I am so happy that the figurine still
Oh
works,
my god.
though.
Yeah,
That has
is
a lot of
amazing.
action in there.
And yeah, the queen is still pretty gold. A lot of them are like completely red. The are orange toys.
Our friends are the best boys.
Yes, they are. Yeah. Thank you so much, Rory.
Thank you.
Oh,
Oh.
no, don't die.
Domestic violence. Domestic violence.
Wait.